What is going on, guys? Want to wish you guys a happy, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We're back at it, back at work. Thank you guys for all the support you guys have been showing me. I appreciate you guys a lot. And yeah, guys, thank you guys for everything, to be honest with you guys, and a happy holidays to you and your family from me and mine. So today what we got going on is take the trailer, get some repairs done, go get inspected. We got things to do on the trailer. So what our repair is going to be on it, we're about to get hooked up here, and we'll go from there. So let me hook up, and we'll hit the road. Yo, what's going on? But yeah, guys, once again, happy holidays to you guys. Appreciate you guys for everything. We're rolling now to it's a TA over here by, if you guys know where Little Sister is, over here in Eloy. That's where we're going. That's the same TA over there. We're gonna take the trailer over there. So this video is going to be a little bit about, the repairs and maintenance and things like that of an owner-operator, what we got to take care of, what it is, we got, as you guys see, we got trailer ABS lights. So what we're doing is we're taking the trailer to go get the, we got to go do the DOT inspection. And then while we're at it, I'm gonna have them repair whatever that needs to be done, because I know I got a trailer ABS light on. I'm assuming that the brakes, I want to take a look at the brakes, make sure the brakes are okay. When it comes to lifespan, because if we need them, we'll swap them out. But this video is basically a little bit about repairs and maintenance. The cost of being owner operator, and just things like that, So yeah, guys, other than that, I'll get back to you guys once we show up to TA. All right, y'all, we just made it here to TA. We're already checked in. As you guys know, we're just waiting now. You know how it is at the truck stops. You guys should know that by now. If you don't, truck stops are very, very, what's the word I'm looking for? Union type of deal. Take their sweet time with everything. But check out that little 389 over there. Beautiful truck. That color is gorgeous. That color is absolutely gorgeous. Hey guys, right here. So right now I'm gonna get something to eat. Because I know we're gonna be here for a while. So I might not eat nothing yet. I need something to drink. I'm really thirsty. But yeah, guys, I'll get back to you guys once we pull in. Make sure everything's locked. Oh man, it feels so good to be back, guys. I miss driving the truck like crazy, but yeah, I'll get back with you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. Do some testing. Time to test the lights out real quick. Get all my lights on for them. He's over there. Well, I guess he's not ready. So, hey guys, we're all pulled into the bay here. let's see. We're gonna do a DOT inspection on the truck. I mean, on the trailer. I'm sorry. So that's what we're gonna do. Hopefully, figure out that problem for me on that ABS, because I don't know what it is and I need it fixed. So, but right now he's just checking all the tire threads or life, whatever you want to call it. So that's that. Other than that, we're just waiting. So I'll get back to you guys whenever he wants me to turn on the lights and stuff. So be right back with y'all. Were you able to get the seal? Do you have the seal in stock? Do you have the seal in stock for the other side?
Yeah,
Okay, cool. Appreciate it. Oh, man. While we're here, we're going to swap out this seal, too. It's been leaking, so swap it out. But, yeah, guys, so we did our inspection, but I noticed, obviously, on the brakes, I knew something was wrong with the brakes. You just know your trailer. But yeah, so that axle that's all teared apart right now, the shoe is literally half of the shoe was missing. Not the shoe itself, but the actual pad. You know, that's just held on by rivets. Literally missing. So obviously need to get new shoes for that. And my ABS light was on as well, which seems like my ABS sensor was pushed out. So what I'm thinking is probably something flew up there, knocked out that sensor, and it got caught up with the shoe and it ripped off the shoe. I don't know what happened there. Something happened, but we're just getting it fixed now. So that's the update. My rear tail light on the middle, I'll go show you guys right now. So this rear light also needs to be swapped out. Let's see. This light right here had to be swapped out. Obviously it's not the same size as the other one, so we just made this work because this is a Fontaine special one. So we got an aftermarket one, Joe new holes, and called it a day. So, but that's that. So, but yeah, other than that, that's where we're at right now. Curious to know what this boat is gonna look like. I know it's gonna be a hefty one, but we'll see what happens. But other than that, guys, right now we're just waiting on them to find and source the brakes. As you guys know, these are 17.5s. 17.5s are a pain in the ass to find. But yeah, I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna grab my Allen, I'm gonna swap out these ambers, put the clear ones. So let's get to it. Yo. All right, guys. I know you guys see the difference already. Man, did that clear change the look. I'm loving the new clears. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? I'm loving it, man. I really am loving it. Time to get this one done. I'm gonna take out these two bolts here. Obviously, I already got one. It's kind of two-hand, definitely a two-hand for sure. But and my GoPros are dead. If not, you guys know I love my GoPros and I would have it on. But let me take this one apart real quick, and then take these two bolts, and then I'll show you guys what to do next. Let's see if I get lucky. But now, let me take it apart real quick. Hold on. Let's take it apart. What it looks like right here. This one's super tight, but basically it's two plugs. Unplug this one. Go grab the new light so you guys see what it looks like. It's the same thing from the back. I went with this is what they had in stock when I bought them. and you know, I don't mind them. They look cool. So yeah, just basically unplug it, plug it into here, and call it a day. So that's exactly what we're about to do. So let me do that, and I'll get right back with you guys. All right, guys. So as you guys know, we installed this. Once again, 2 bolts, take it off. This has a clip that clicks onto the J&J bracket. Just push it out. It's gonna push out, connect the 2 connectors, put the light back into the I guess section or where it goes, and just push it in where it locks in. Push it in, 2 bolts, and that's how you do that. So I think it made a major difference. Major difference. Another thing I did that I forgot to tell you guys about, and I didn't show you guys because I haven't done it in so long and I didn't want to mess up, but we got the new shift knob and shift setup on it. Boom, boom, boom. Pre the bolt in red. I need to get this cover here in chrome, and then this I'm gonna leave it in red because obviously you know how the truck's red. I was gonna buy this thing in chrome, but I've had it that the chrome ones mess up, and you know, you guys know how it is. It's aftermarket. Sometimes it works good, sometimes it doesn't. So I know this is factory, so it works good. So I'm leaving that on there. What else I do? And I put the new seal. As you guys know, when I wash the truck with the pressure washer, it literally would freaking enter water. So I'm hoping now it seals really good. I gotta slam the door in order for it to, like, you know, lock in good. So everything's good now. So but yeah, guys, we're still waiting. We are, let me think here. They went to go get the parts, the shoe. I didn't have the shoe in stock because obviously you guys know I have a low pro. So they went to go get the shoe, and yeah, so they're about an hour away with the shoe. They'll come back, install it, and we should be good to go. But you know, just repairs and maintenance and upgrades I've been doing on the truck too. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's time to go get something to eat. I gotta swap out my IFTAs, but yeah, other than that, I gotta wipe down. This truck is extremely dirty. I might wash it because I don't want, this is it's pretty coated. It's a thick coat. I don't want to scratch the paint. I don't want to scratch anything. I might just send it to get washed one more time, but we'll see what I do. I don't know yet. Maybe I'll go to the yard. Maybe I'll just go to the yard and hose it down, get everything as much as I can, and then wipe it, because she's gonna get dirty this week anyways, going to the mines. So, but yeah, that's what she's saying that now. Let me know down in the comment what you guys think about the shift knob and the new J&J bracket lights. I'm loving the clears a lot. So now it's time to attack that. I need to get all that brand new. So that's the next on the list. So I'll get right back with you guys in a little bit. Good morning. Yeah, guys, you guys saw yesterday, we did those repairs. We did the inspection. Unfortunately, the trailer failed because on the ICC bumper, or the DOT bumper, whatever you want to call it, the bottom of it had a crack, and apparently it had I saw a crack, super minor, like it's insane, but it is what it is. They wanted it to get welded in order to pass it. So if you guys see right here on the bottom of it, right here, was cracked, and they needed it to be welded. So obviously I couldn't find, they didn't have somebody to weld at that time right there. So I was like, all right, well, I guess I'll wait for tomorrow, which would have been today, go to another shop, get it welded, to go back to get my DOT inspection and call it a day. But luckily, obviously I had to let my agent know, because obviously I had loads lined up, but they're like, just drop your trailer. We know a guy that can weld. Drop a trailer and borrow one of ours. So as you guys can tell right now, I'm hooked up to a flatbed, which pretty excited about, because I've always liked flatbeds over step deck, the look and everything. So we're going to try it out. So I'm pretty excited to see how it drives on the, I'm assuming those are 22s, maybe even 24s, I don't know, probably 20, but probably 22 high rubbers or 24s. But yeah, guys, so this is how we're looking with a flatbed. I'm loving how it looks. for sure. Imagine with a nice Mac or something, polished out, light package, aluminum wheels, toolbox in between the spread. Man, that would be badass unit. But yeah, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Stay tuned for the next video of actually hauling the flatbed. So this video is just showing you guys, you know, the reality of being a owner-op. So I hope you guys like the new lights I installed. I think they look great. I'm loving the clear over the orange for sure. But I'm letting the truck warm up a little bit, and then we're gonna hit the road. So once again, Happy New Year to you guys. Merry Christmas. Thank you guys for all the support. I do appreciate you guys. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.